Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be showing you guys my Colourpop eyeshadow collection. It's not very big, however, I did want to share with you, give you guys some my thoughts, little comparisons, and let's get started. Alright, so the palette that started it all for me, that really made me want to get more Colourpop palettes. Yes Please palette. It's so cute. The only thing that kind of sucks is the white packaging with these really kind of like dark warm tones. Mine's a mess. Luckily, the camera will end up washing most of this out, so you really can't see how gross mine is. Absolutely love this palette. This is one of Colourpop's best palettes. They have a lot of really beautiful neutral palettes, but most of the palettes that I chose and liked from my collection were neutral, but yet they were different, if that makes sense. But yes, this is the Yes Please palette. So gorgeous, so beautifully warm toned compared to the $120 some Natasha Denona palette. So that will tell you something. This is absolutely stunning. Highly recommend if you're in need for some warm tones. Really recommend this palette. I think you guys will love it. You guys know I have tutorials with both the Yes Please palette and also my palette coming up next. This is the I Think I Love You palette. This is beautiful. It's like shiny rose gold packaging. Don't mind mine again. It's messy, but pretty sure we'll wash it out. Love this. Again, this is like neutral, but yet it's not, because you got like this awesome, such a bomb gold shade. So awesome gold shade. You got matte black here, and it's actually black. You got this beautiful gold down here. Just so gorgeous. If you want a more on the neutral side, but yet with a slight like grungy pop, this is the one for you. Really think you'll love this. Again, I also have a tutorial with this one on my page, so definitely check that out for either a tutorial for either one or more in-depth reviews and swatches. I do have them on there as well. Next up is the Colourpop All I See Is Magic palette, and this one is a bit bigger than the normal one here, so you guys can kind of see here. Here is the palette here. This is in their Holiday 2017 collection. So gorgeous. Again, neutral, but like everyday, but with pops of color. And I really appreciate that. There is some of the neutral palettes I do want that are more of just like browns, and I do want them, but then it's like, don't you have enough browns? But I do want them because they're Colourpop, and there's something about the ease of Colourpop. I just feel like I never really have to spend a long time working with them. I feel like I can pretty much do it anyway and it will just blend out and be good. You don't have to be a makeup artist to use Colourpop. It's very, I don't know, it's very nice. I don't know how else to put it. It's just very easy to use and very beautiful. You got some beautiful shimmers, glitters. You got some matte satins. So gorgeous in this palette. And this is still available. I would definitely recommend getting it while you can. I'm going to be filming a tutorial doing this, and probably a review video as well, so it's more in depth. So be on the lookout for that. That will be coming soon. If you guys have any suggestions on a look that you would like with this palette, let me know down below. I would be very grateful. I like knowing your guys' opinions and thoughts and all that. But absolutely love this. It's just so gorgeous. Like when I look at these don't look like cheap palettes. They don't feel like cheap palettes. They're just gorgeous. The only thing is I wish they had a mirror. I know some of them do now. I think they should start printing it, all of them. I don't mind paying $2 more to have a mirror. I still think it's a wonderful deal. This is the latest one to the collection. This is the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop collab. This is their Dream Street palette. Beautiful here. It's like that nice cream color, and you got some shiny rose gold. There's a little moon down here. Open it up. Gorgeous. It's like neutral, but with the pops. If you notice, I'm really starting to kind of get out of my comfort zone and go for different type of looks and shadows, and I don't know, this is probably my favorite one. The Yes Please was my favorite, but now this one is my #1. Recently got this. I've used it twice. I just love it. I just love it. I can already tell it's just amazing. I've used every shade in this. It's stunning. I have it on my eyes right now. Absolutely just love this. This one's my favorite color. There's not a color in here that's a dud for me. The only thing that I haven't done yet is use this matte kind of teal blue here. I've yet to use that as like a crease shade or anything, so that's the only one I'm not sure on. I've only used it as a liner, but everything else I know is amazing. But just that one I don't know for sure because I haven't used it. So, but it's so good. Really highly recommend Colourpop palettes. I really think you guys will love them. They're just amazing quality for a great deal. These are some of my favorites. I want to know some of your guys' favorites. If you could comment down below and let me know if I need them in my collection, if I would like them. Definitely let me know down below. I'm definitely interested in a few more. I like how small and compact they are. They're just super easy to use, blendable. Really, really love them and recommend them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thank you guys so much. Bye.